Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Kent Island in beautiful Graysonville, Maryland. My name is Mitch Scharf, and I'm going to walk you through this beautiful 2023 Scout 215 Dorado. This is a very popular model for Scout. A nice dual console setup, kind of set up like a bow rider. Has this futuristic acrylic windshield, which really makes it stand out compared to other similar size models. You've got a nice walk-through here with a door. You've got the 200 horsepower Dorado 4-stroke motor, optional ski tow pylon. You have a pretty large bait well here. You have a fresh water hookup and a raw water washdown, which is nice. 4 rod holders in the back, cup holders, pop-up cleats, stainless steel. Nice fold-out seat, which goes back in easily, gives you room for fishability if you want it. This boat has the optional port back-to-back lounger that will lay flat if you want it to as well. You've got a nice helm seat with flip-up bolster, and the seat will move forward and back as you want it to. Beautiful steering wheel with the suicide knob, digital gauges, Garmin 8610 GPS chart plotter, fish finder, nice Fusion stereo with upgraded JL audio speakers. You even have a VHF radio and antenna on the boat. This has a very large bimini top, stainless steel structure that will collapse into a zippered boot if you want more sun. You have these digital gauges, a nice walk-through windshield. You've got armrests here for lounging. So you have 2 nice loungers. You have a spot for a bow table, which will stow under the helm. There's also a bow filler cushion that will fill this area, so you can turn this into a very big sun pad. You've got handrails on either side of the bow, and you've got plenty of room for an anchor compartment, as well as a nice spot for casting if you want up here at the bow. These are rod holder / cup holders, which is a nice option to have. So this is a 2023 Scout 215 Dorado here at MarineMax Kent Island. Feel free to come down and take a look at it anytime you want. Thank you.